Hello viewers, I'm Rohit Khurana from Intellect Digest, and in this video I'm going to give you a gaming review of the Micromax canvas Doodle. The Doodle is a phone which comes with a stylus and a flip cover, and the USP of this device is that it is designed to work as a note-taking device with the stylus functionality. But if you want to game on this large 5.3-inch display, I'll quickly show you the gameplay. This display has a display resolution of 480 by 854 pixels, has Adreno 203 GPU to run games. It has 1.2 GHz quad-core processor and a RAM of 512 MB, which is sufficient for most of the intermediate and beginner level of games. In this demo, I'm going to play Frontline Commando, which is a first-person shooter game, the Turbo Boat, which is a racing kind of game. I'll also play Subway Surf and Temple Run 2 to show you how the performance comes out to be on these games. Let's start with the Frontline Commando, which is one of the heavy graphics first-person shooter games.
Should have been quick and easy, but we were set up.
So far the game seems to be loading fine, and the graphics on the game are rendering pretty okay. There's no problem in terms of the graphics performance of this phone. And as you can see, the display is also working well and very responsive. The touch screen preciseness is also very good and impressive. There is no lag in the graphics. So the Frontline Commando runs pretty fast without any lags, and the graphics render pretty well on this large 5.3-inch display of the Micromax canvas Doodle. Let me quickly give you a demo of the Subway Surf, which is a high graphic game which runs on the touch inputs. There is nothing on the motion inputs on this game, but the graphics rendering is very high. This game makes some entry-level phones very slow and laggy. If it runs fine on a phone, that means that phone is capable of mediocre gaming without glitches. So let's get started. It seems to be taking the touch inputs fairly well. There is also no lag in the graphics performance, as you can see. It's rendering the graphics pretty smooth. So the Subway Surfer games works okay with the Micromax canvas Doodle. There is no graphics lag and there is no problem when it comes to the touch inputs. It's fairly responsive. Let me now run the Temple Run 2. The graphics look pretty fine on the Temple Run 2, and the motion inputs are also working well. The touch inputs is also fairly responsive, so this game is doing a good justice on this phone. I'm not seeing any sort of lags or troubles while playing Temple Run 2 on the Micromax canvas Doodle or A111. It is responding almost immediately to my touch inputs. Let's jump to the next game, which is the Racing Moto. Now this game works mostly on the motion and touch inputs. If the motion calibration of a phone is very good, it runs very smooth. So it is controlling very precise which means the motion calibration of this phone is nicely done. Now let me also run a racing game, which is the Turbo Boat, and see how it performs on rendering graphics on a racing game. This is not a very heavy game though. The motion sensitivity of this phone is fairly good for motion gaming. As you can see, it is working very well to my motion commands. Whenever I tilt the screen, the game also responds very well in the same direction. So in short, Micromax Canvas, Doodle or A111 is capable of playing most moderate games without any glitches, without any problems. So if you are considering to buy this device, this is not only good for work, it is also very good for play. You get this flip cover which comes with it, and you get a stylus with this phone, and the build quality of this phone is good anyways. So this is all we have on a quick gaming review of the Micromax Canvas Doodle. Please check out the detailed review link on the top left of your screen and in the description below. If you like our video, please press the like button below. For more such videos, please press the subscribe button. This is Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.